Caitlin. Hey. All right. We're shutting it down. You ready? All right. I got to put my stuff in the car. Tip to everyone, pull your gray tank for a second first, so you can tell if it's on right. Oh, it's on right. Moving black tank. Okay, so we're doing a black tank flush. We've plugged into our black tank flush. Turning the water on, we're gonna let it spray for a couple minutes and rinse all the poo out of the black tank. So I got this in here, right? You can hear it running. It's flushing, it's kind of like spraying, and it's flushing this, and that is now, sorry if it's nasty, coming out here. I'm gonna let that go for a minute. Woo. Okay, black water flush is going. This is in here with a hose, and it's flushing the black tank, and that's coming out of there.
Slowly.
Slowly. But I'm gonna close the valve down here, if I can find it. Where are you, little valve? Right there. So it'll build some pressure. So it's stopped right now. All right. Since the water is disconnected, I need to get it out of these pipes. So I'm opening up all the water so it stops draining. In the bathroom. Okay. Okay, they're all open. We're good. And then I'll drain that thing out there. Alrighty, did you turn that off? Yay, okay, let me pull this plug again. You ready for it? Hitting this black tank. You can hear it. Gets all the weeds out. So it goes clear. Getting there. Ah, clear black tank. Oh, crystal clear, I love it. Yay. I need to learn to bring a screwdriver with me so I can get in here. There we go. There we go. That lets all the water that's in the water heater drain out. And it is lefty-loosey and righty-tighty, and I said it wrong on my last video, so. There we go, we're gonna let all this come out. There we go. There we go. So this thing takes a good maybe 10-15 minutes to completely drain. But the reason I do this is so that the water in the water heater doesn't sit in there when we're not using the RV, and it doesn't smell like rotten eggs. So that's why I drain this. But it's still going, still going. Oh my goodness, what a huge difference that makes. Have your pressure relief valve up halfway, like where it's stuck. And then it'll spew out. And maybe you'll get done in 10 minutes instead of 20. Okay, so there's my hack. Have that open. Okay, so I'm gonna close that down. Put this right here. Righty-tighty. Righty-tighty. It's gonna take a minute. Righty-tighty. Feels like it's going the wrong way, but really is going righty-tighty. There we go, I'm tight. Yay! Okay, that's done. Now we won't smell like eggs. Okay, last thing. Last thing. Power off. Now. Unplug. Zzz. We are disconnected. Do you have the key? By the way, that's a good thing. This should fit tight. If it doesn't fit tight, then you have problems. So you want it to fit tight. Put that in and we will be done. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, make sure we didn't forget anything. All my windows are closed. There's nothing going on with the roof. The steps will come in when we leave. Everything else looks good. This dripping right here, right there, that's from the air conditioning running. That's normal. Normal. String it in. All right, good to go.
You gotta take the jack off.
Oh yeah. Gotta get him off the leveler. Let's do that.
Yeah, that's solid.
Yeah, just roll over it. Be careful. That's the one thing I don't like about these. Stop. There you go, you got it. Good to go.